Welcome to TechnoScripts. In this video we are going to see how we can convert normal switches to smart switches so that you can operate your normal switches from mobile using their app, Alexa and Google Home. Even you can operate your switches without internet using your mobile phone application. Please watch full video so you can convert your normal switches into smart switches. Before installing this circuit, you should have a basic knowledge of electrical wiring, otherwise you can take help of proper electrician to install this. Before installing this circuit, please turn off main power supply. Also, you can check the power supply using multimeter and tester, or you can switch on or off your existing switches. So let's start installation part. I am opening this my switchboard. In your case, this may be different, so open it carefully. Out of these 5 switches, we are converting to smart only 4 switches. You can see internal wiring of my switchboard. So I will introduce first the circuit which we are using. The circuit name is called TINZI. This is 4-channel smart Wi-Fi switch. So using this circuit, we can automate your normal switches into smart switches. TINZI have many automation products. You can see the links in the description box. So we will open this. In this box we will get 2 things. First one is this circuit and another is user guide. In this user guide they have provided product details, installation guide and the wiring diagram of the circuit. This circuit will come with 1 year warranty. Before using this device, you should have a smartphone connected with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router with internet connection. Then you should have a TINZI app. You can download it from Play Store. The most important thing is your Wi-Fi name should not have any special characters, so you can easily pair with this device. So let's do wiring for my switchboard. I will do this in the background and show in next step. As per wiring diagram, I have connected all wires. On right hand side you will get the switch and the LED, green LED, and there are 6 points. First 2 points, second point is connected to all switches and remaining last 4 points are connected to 4 switches. Then at left hand side, first 2 points are very important. We are giving the main power supply. First point is neutral and second point is live wire. So and remaining points I have connected to my devices like fan, tube and the LED bulb. You can see the diagram. As I told previously, we can convert only 4 switches using this circuit. So in my case there are 5 switches on my switchboard. So for bell switch I am doing manual connection, and for remaining 4 switches I am using with this smart switch circuit. Before installing this circuit, you should have a minimum space of 2.7 inch by 2.7 inch in your switchboard. Before turning on the power supply, please do recheck all the connections as per the given wiring diagram. So now we will install the Android and iOS applications in our smart devices. At right hand side you can see Android, and at left hand side iOS device. Go to Play Store and type TINZI, TINXY. Once installed it, let's open. You can see the blinking LED. Before installation, if the LED is blinking continuously, you should reset by pressing reset button for 5 seconds. We will see this in next step. Before pairing this circuit with the application, please do reset the circuit by pressing this reset button for 5 seconds. Once the circuit is reset, it will show blinking LED like on off. So let's open the app, click on add devices. Here you will get all the list of devices. Select Wi-Fi 4 node switch which we are using. Here this will pick your current connected Wi-Fi connection. Just put the password for that Wi-Fi connection. Click on OK. Now see LED. While connecting, it will blinking continuously. Once connected, it will stop blinking. Yes, this connected with our application. Let's map all the switch with the devices, like for first switch for tube light, second for fan, like this. So once done with this, click on the OK. Now you can see I have mapped all the switches with this circuit. Let's check. Turn on tube light, turn off tube light. Yes, it's working. Now I will pack my switchboard. So let's start with the demo. Turn on the tube light using mobile app. Turn off. Now I can use my switchboard button. Turn on. Automatically in our application, this will also turn on. You can turn off from here, turn on from here, again turn off using button. So normal switch will work like a two-way switch. Any button you can operate using switchboard or mobile app, Alexa or Google Home. Now we will check with the fan. Turn on the fan using mobile device. Now turn off. Turn on again. Turn off tube light now. Turn on. Turn off fan. Now we will see how we can configure Alexa app. Go to more, then click on skills and games. Here click on search icon, type TINXY, you will get the skill name. Enable this skill. This will open the authentication. Use same authentication which you have used in the mobile app registration. Once authorized, you will get successful message. Yes, you have authorized. Now we will see how we can see all the devices which are Alexa enabled. This is the list of my all smart devices. You can see the newly added devices like fan, tube light. You can turn on or off from here also. You can create a routine for every smart device, like when it should turn on, when it should off automatically. As I told, we can operate our switches from switchboard, mobile application, Alexa and Google Home. So let's open Alexa app. Alexa, turn off tube light. Yes. Alexa, turn on tube light. Like Alexa, we can control our switches using Google Home also. You need to configure same like Alexa. Once configured, turn off tube light. Yes. Turn on tube light. Purchase link and other details are given in the description. If any doubts, please ask in the comments. Do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.